Okay, we're going to do the factoring review. And on the factoring review, we're going to take a look at some of the numbers that are in your fourth grade book. And we're looking at numbers like 8 and 12. And then we're looking at numbers like 12 and 20. And there are a few more numbers that we can work with, but we're really not going to worry about them because it'll probably take us longer than we need to in order to explain this. In the factoring review, we're going to actually be looking for one thing, and that's called common factors. And I really want the fifth grade to pay attention to this as well. So the common factors can be found simply by multiplying numbers together in a sequence until we find the last group of numbers that could be that 8 could be the product of. And so what we want to know here is we want to know what are the factors of 8. And so we would ask the question, what are factors 8? And we just simply go 1 times 8 equals 8. We know that. So 1 and 8 are a factor. What other numbers multiplied times together would equal 8? 2 times 4 equals 8. Are there any other factors of that? I don't think so. No, they're not. So we can say that the factors of 8 then would be 1, 2, 4, and 8. Can you see that? 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now, in order to find out what the factors of 12 are, we need to do the same thing. We need to multiply numbers times 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. What other number? 2 times 6 equals 12. How about 3 times 4 equals 12? Are there any others? I doubt that there are. So the factors of 12 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And let's just list them. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So those are the factors of the number 12, and then the factors of the number 8. Now, between the number 8 and the number 12, they both have what we call common factors. What are the common factors of 8 and 12? Titus?
The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and 4.
4.
And that's all.
That's it. What is the greatest or the largest common factor between 8 and 12? Greatest common factor, and I think that's GCF, right? What is the greatest common factor between that, Jose? Go ahead, Ray. 4. The greatest common factor, when I say the word greatest, I mean the largest number between the two factors of 8 and 12 that is in this list. Okay? And the greatest common factor is 4. Okay? See that? All right. Let's see if we can find the greatest common factor and the common factors of 12 and 20. Let's do 12 and 20. What are the common factors of 12 and 20? 1 times 12 equals what? 12. Is there anything else that equals 12? Faith? 2 times 6 equals 12. What else equals 12? Yes? 3 times 4 equals 12. And I think that's it for that. Let's go to 20. What equals 20? 1 times 20 equals 20, right? What else equals 20? What else equals, Isaiah? 2 times 10 equals 20. And what else equals 20? Is there any other? Yes. Emil? Ray? 5 times 4 or 4 times 5, it doesn't really matter. 4 times 5 equals 20. And are there any others? Yes. I kind of doubt it, right? Yes. You still thinking? I doubt it. Anyway, so the factors of 12 are then what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And you know, of course, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now that we listed them, we can just circle the common factors. Yes? 1,
2,
2,
and
4.
4.
Are there any more? Okay, there are none. So what is the greatest common factor between 12 and 20? Yes? 4. So it's already up there, so that's it. So I think we've been successful today at talking about greatest common factors, and I hope that helps.